Photoshop causing other programs not receive escape key. When I run Photoshop CS4 on Windows 7, other running programs don't receive the escape key. I noticed in PuTTY and Total Commanders Lister. When I close Photoshop, they start receiving the escape key again. I tried multiple keyboard layouts, no change. Photoshop is an out-of-box install, no settings changed. I exported the list of key bindings from Photoshop, Ctrl-Alt-Shift-K, and escape isn't used in any combination. Why is this? Is there any way to disable or bypass this so that I could use other programs normally?
Photoshop CS4 and adobecatalyst Control Center both hook the escape key. To fix it, use Windows Task Manager to terminate ccc.exe and restart Photoshop.
Intel chipset users should right-click on Intel graphics tray icon and disable hotkeys. Other way to do this, if Intel graphics tray icon missing. Control panel display change display settings advanced settings tab Intel graphics and media control panel button graphics properties options and support hotkey functionality uncheck enable. From here this URL.
It's an issue with the Photoshop and it happens on other programs too. It's probably related to some Photoshop's plugins. You should be able to use Shift plus Escape to bypass it. This issue is fixed in CS5. You could also try one of these programs from here this URL if you are not happy with the Shift method or upgrading to CS5.
The problem wasn't related to any other software in my case. This is what helped me. Win 7 Professional x64 had no such problem with Win 7 Professional x86. Run CS3, Escape did not work. Run CS3 in compatibility mode with WinXP SP3, that solved it, but no drag and amp, drop into Photoshop, due to different user rights maybe. I turned off the compatibility mode and the escape still works as it should smile. Edit. Not true that it wasn't related to any other software. When I was testing it I already had Catalyst Control Center, ccc.x, shut down from another round of testing. So CCC is somehow involved in this problem. Simply turning off keyboard shortcuts in CCC did not work, I had to shut it down, in my case via the task manager, but I guess normal quit would work the same, EA. Not leaving some other part of ccc.x running.
If you wanted to support this channel, please consider subscribing.